Good morning, children. Next exercise, exercise 8.4. The first subdivision, first question, all the four subdivisions are over. Now, in second subdivision, we have totally 3 questions. All 3 questions, what 5 questions. Okay? For each of the following constant, find the f of x, fx, not f of x, fx, suffix x, fy. And show that fx is equal to fys. Now fx means what do you know? Partially differentiate this f with respect. This is some form. That's all. If fx means what? Partially two derivative with respect to y, then x. So dou squared fy, dou x dou y. This way. Alright? So fy is what the meaning? Dou squared fy, dou y dou x. Fy means dou fy, dou y. This is the meaning. The something two ways will mean 2 times you want partial differentiate with respect to y, then x. So dou square, second order. First y, then x. Okay? The same thing, fxx. What is the meaning? Dou square fy will dou x square. First with respect to x, again with respect to x. But dou square fy, dou x square will come. But if given two variables, that's why dou square fy with respect to y, then x. In this order, you got it. First x is y now. In reverse order, y with respect to x. In this way, you got it. This is the idea. Now, what is this idea? Already I told you, this is called suffix means partial differentiation, not ordinary differentiation. Not ordinary differentiation. Partial differentiation. Partial means what is the meaning? With respect to x means x alone variable remains as constant. The constant can be separated into 0. The constant can be along with the variable. That is what? That is constant. You will divide only variable. That is the constant. Now, by using this area, the first question, lengthy question, all 3 questions, the final question, the first subdivision, what is given? F of x is equal to 3x by y plus I. This is given. Now, what is asking? Fx is asking. That is what? Partial differential x is asking. Fx is asking f of x y can be written as what is not relating. F of x y can be written as only f 3x is equal to y plus I. Okay? Now, what is asking? The first solution, fx is asking. What is the formula? Dou f by dou x. Dou by dou x are f is asking 3x by 1 plus y plus x. Now, with respect to x, you know, here is the x is there. U will be formula. What is U will be formula? Differentiation of U will be equal to denominator b square, b t dash minus b dash is the formula. U formula. Now, denominator is what? Whole square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator 3 into x. 3 into 1, 3 1 minus the numerator is fixed here. Differentiation of denominator with respect to x. Y is the constant. Sin x becomes constant. Now multiply 3y, 3 sin x minus 3x is the cos x divided by y plus sin x whole square. This is the first subdivision over. Now second subdivision, what is asking now? Fy is asking. Fy means what is the meaning? Dou f by dou y. Dou by dou y of y is what? 3x divided by y plus x. Again by using u formula. Because with respect to y is in denominator. Now u will formula, what is formula? Denominator square. B into differentiation of numerator. What is numerator? 3x is with respect to y. But 3x is constant. 3x is constant. Differentiation of constant 0 minus. Now numerator is fixed here. Differentiation of denominator y plus x. Now y is variable because with respect to y is going on. Y is variable. Y is variable means differentiate y with respect to 1 plus sin x. X is constant. Sin x also constant. 0. For answer is 0 minus 3x by y plus sin x whole square. Alright? Therefore, minus 3x by y plus sin x whole square. Second answer over. Third submission to show fxy equal to fyx. Third submission. Okay? Okay? Now start with LHS. What is LHS? LHS is fxy. fxy what you do? Second derivative. With respect to y, then x. Two times. So dou square fy dou x dou y. This came in dou square and dou into dou. Get e dx. Dou by dou x are dou f by dou y. This way you want to say. Because dou into dou square f dou x by. Now dou by dou x are the dou f by dou y already find out. Am I right? Is already find out. What is the answer? Minus 3x by y plus sin x whole square. Am I right? Now again x here also x. Numerator denominator x. Now u will form. Only you want to form u will form. What is the answer? Denominator square. Already y plus sin x whole square is there. Now whole square. Am I right? B into b is what? Y plus sin x whole square into difference of numerator minus 3x 3 into 1 3 but minus 3 formula minus b into where we use minus 3 that means plus 3 into b difference of denominator. What is denominator? Y plus sin x whole square is there. So 2 into y plus sin x whole power 1 into difference of inside bracket with respect to x. Y becomes 0, here sin x becomes cos x. This is very, very important. Now out of these two terms, what is common? Y plus sin x is common term. Okay? Y plus sin x is only common. What is the remainder? Minus 3 is there. Okay? Minus 3 into y plus sin x. The whole square is there. Here only y plus sin x only is there. Y plus sin x common is 1 y plus sin x into minus 3. I want to write minus 3 into y plus sin x. Here this is common term sir. What is the remainder? 3x into 2. 6x into cos x. 6x into cos x. Okay? Denominator is what? Y plus sin x 4 4 4. This we cancel. Okay? Now, here what is common? 3 only common. Okay? 3 common terms. What is it? Minus y minus sin x plus 2x into cos x. Okay? Because 3 is common term. No? Divided by y plus sin x whole for 3. This is the first answer. Okay? Someone did the calculation. Now start with the RHS. What is RHS? Fyx. This came with dou square f by dou y x. So dou by dou y dou f plus x. Dou by dou y so dou f by dou x will find out. Okay? 3y plus 3 sin x minus 3x into cos x divided by y plus sin x whole square. Once again by using u will be found because y here there also is u will be found. What is u will be found? Denominator square. Denominator is the whole square. In here denominator into difference of numerator with respect to y. 3 into y 3 into 1 plus r. The x also x is 0 plus 0 minus 0. Okay? Forward minus. Now numerator is fixed. 3y plus 3 sin x 3 sin x 3 sin x minus 3x cos x is fixed here into difference of denominator. What is denominator? Y plus sin x whole square. So 2 into y plus sin x whole power 1 into difference of y is what? 1 sin x will be 0. Here also what is common? Y plus sin x is common. What happened here? Only 3 is there. 3 into y plus sin x. Okay? Here this is 10 outside. Okay? What is the remainder? 2 is there. Multiply into and minus also is there. Or else minus 2 into 3y plus 3 sin x cos x, am I right? Divided by y plus sin x whole power 4. Now cancel. Now multiply. That is the answer. 3y plus 3 sin x minus 6y minus 6 sin x plus 6x cos x divided by y plus sin x whole power 3. Am I correct? Now simplify. That is the answer. Out of this two, what is the answer? I want to write down here. Minus 3y. This combined with minus 3 sin x plus 6x cos x. So they are the same thing. Am I correct? Now 3 is common. Minus y minus sin x plus 2x cos x divided by y plus sin x whole power 3. The second answer. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. Very, very important answer. Only by using U in formula. 2 times by using U in formula. This is LHS, this one, first answer. Next one is RHS, next answer. Both definitely equal because show that asking. But definitely LHS must be RHS. Mind it. That's all. The next solution, f of xy is equal to tan of xy. This can be as f is equal to tan of xy. The first one is what? You find fx. Okay? Fx means dou f by dou x. Okay? Dou by dou x are f is tan of. Now differences of tan of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan of something means 1 by 1 plus something whole square into differences of something. With respect, you know, the y is constant, difference x is equal to. Now square x square y square. Then y square is LCM. Here y square plus x square equal to. Okay? Only cancel. But what is the problem? Y equal to x square plus y square. This is the first answer. Okay? Second solution, you find fy means dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y means dou by dou f by. Once again, with respect to y, tan of something becomes 1 by 1 plus something into differences of something with respect to y. Now x is constant. Mind x is constant. 1 by y. Differences of 1 by y is what? Minus 1 by y square. Mind it. 1 by y means y inverse. Difference of this one is what? Minus 1 into y power minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2. Am I right? Minus 1 by y square. In this way, you want to differentiate 1 by y with respect to y because x is constant. Am I right? The x into minus 1 by y square. Now again, we have to what? X square y square is same. Y square plus x square here minus x by y square will cancel. Okay? Therefore, minus x by x square plus y square is over. Now third answer to show fxy equal to x. Now start with LHS. F fxy equal to what I told you? Second derivative. Dou squared f by dou x dou y. This can be dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Dou by dou x of the dou f by dou y already divided. Alright? This is fx. Alright? What are you using now? Denominator square. Okay, denominator. Into difference of numerator. That is minus. Formula value minus. Now the numerator is what? Minus is not. The minus already has no formula value minus. Numerator is minus x. Multiply plus x is 6 here. Difference is of denominator. With respect to x square into 2x plus y square into 0. Okay? Now multiply minus x square minus y square plus 2x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Okay? Now 2x square minus x square only x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. This is the way you will get this. Am I right? This is the first solution. Similarly, the same thing, you must find the answer. The same answer will come. This is important. What someone is very important. When one must calculate. Now, RHS is equal to FYX. Am I right? Now, dou square Fy, dou y dou x. Dou by dou y, dou f by dou x. Am I right? Now, dou by dou y, dou f by dou x. Sorry, now y by x square plus y square. Here also, with respect to y is what? Numerator is equal to y, here also is equal to y. New formula, same formula. What is the new formula? B square. Then b into difference is the numerator only. Minus y into difference denominator with respect to y. X square is constant 0. Y square is 0. Multiply x square plus y square minus y square. Subtract x square minus y square by x square plus y square whole square. This is answer. That is that is also important. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Then let's just improve. This 1% important. About 5%. Listen here. Third column, the same type of question. To find f of x, to find fy, then to show fxy equal to y fyx, the same answer. The equation only given. Change. f of xy is equal to cos of x square minus 3x. Now f equal to only f equal to cos of x square minus 3x. To find fx. Fx is not equal to dou by dou x. Dou by dou x of f is something given on cos of x square minus 3xy. Okay? And I told you cos of something minus sin of something into differences of something with respect to x. Of x square into 2x minus x is variable. The 3y is constant. Okay? 3 into y is constant. X represents x is 1 denominator. Okay? Minus 2x minus 3y into sin of x square minus 3xy. The first step. Similarly, to find fy. Fy is what? Dou f by dou y. Dou by dou y of f is what? Cos of x square minus 3xy. Okay? Now again the same thing. Cos of something minus sin of something into differences of the into bracket with respect to y. Of x square equal to 0 minus 3x is constant. Difference of y with respect to y is what? 1. Answer is minus 5 plus 3x into sin of x square minus 3xy. Okay? This is fy. This is one answer. Okay? Read it only. This is fx down. Now to solve third part. The same thing only. Fxy means dou square by dou xy. This came as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Now dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, and find out 3x 3x into sin of x square minus 3x. Here x is there, here also x is there. Okay? U will form. What is formula? U will form. 3x is fixed here. Difference is sin of something becomes cos of something into difference is now the inside bracket becomes x. Okay? X square plus 2x minus x don't know 3 into 3 plus x is what? The sin of x square minus 3x is fixed here. Difference is the first one is what? 3x 3 into 1. Okay? So you know one common plate, no common, just one multiply, that is the answer. There is a common thing, that outside, okay, that's the answer. But here no common, that's why just multiply. Here out of this term, 3 is there, here also 3 is there, okay? 3 only common. Okay? After 3 that also mean, the remaining is what? Cos of x square minus 3xy. Am I correct? Put x is there. Multiply x here. What is that there? 2x square minus 3xy. Am I correct? Yeah? 2x square minus 3xy. This is actually first term. After 3 can you know? What is it? Plus sin of x square minus 3xy. This is that. Wow. Overall, please come to all. The only please come to all. Here, 3 complementary, this 3 and this 3 complementary. Second is what is this term. First of this into x into this one. I am multiplying to x. Now same thing, second derivative, f over f x. So dou square f by dou by x. So dou by dou f by x. Substitute and find now minus 2x minus 3y into sin of x square minus 3y. Now again you will bound here x is now minus 2 into x minus 3 is constant. Difference is what? Cos of x square minus 3y into with this way x square becomes 0. Okay? Bagaimana? 3xy. Yang itu ini 3 x become y is 1 plus sin of x square minus 3xy is fixed here. Difference is this one minus with this one y actually this 0 minus 3 into 2. Okay? Now multiply by that. Here also here minus 3 is there. Here only minus 3 plus 3. Here minus plus 3 is complementary. The first one is what? Cos of x square minus 3xy. Okay? 3xy. After time 3 is common. Here x is there. Multiply by x. 2x square minus 3xy. Okay? Plus 3 is common. What is it? Sin of x square minus 3xy. Okay? Product always equal to only differences I only using u formula, we follow u formula. But the important concept for say with respect to x mean x alone variable. The remaining is constant. The constant that is separately mean that is 0 minus. Okay? U v these are all u v v included. Because of what? All the way from 5%. Now question 3, 2 mark 3 mark. U of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square by xy plus 3z square y. What does that mean? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou x is asking. What is meant? U of Now to cancel x by y. Y cancel out y by x plus 3z square. Now partially differentiate with respect to x being what is the answer? Dou u by dou x, this symbol. With respect to x, y is varying, constant. That's y is fixed here. So numerator is 16, no? Difference is not numerator, x is 1. Here, y is constant. But denominator is not x. That means what? 1 by x. Difference is not 1 by x become minus y is constant into 1 by x become minus 1 by x square. This actually without x value now it is 0 or constant 0. 1 by y minus y by x square the first answer. Alright. Y by x means y into 1 by x. Difference is now 1 by x become minus 1 by x square. Now partially differentiate with respect to y. So dou u by dou y is equal to now y is variable, x is constant. X into variable is what y denominator. That means 1 by y. 1 by y become minus 1 by y square. The denominator x is constant fixed here. Numerator is y no. Difference of y is 1. Plus the 3z square constant. Difference of y is 1. So minus x by y square plus 1 by x plus 3z square. Okay? Last one is partially differentiate with respect to z. Okay? So dou u by dou y is equal to z is a variable. Remains constant. The x and y are constant 0. Here also 0. Here 3y is constant, is fixed here. Difference is not z square become 2 here. Answer is 6y. This is the answer. We must find 1 by 1 percent. 2 more 3 more percent. Partially with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Only 3 steps are last time. We get the answer. The first answer is what? What is the first answer? Here, okay, take LCM. This is answer. After this one, you are taking LCM, you get the answer. X square by denominator, you x square minus y square. Not necessary. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next answer. The answer. Now here, fourth question. If u of x comma y comma z is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, then find dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by z. This is model. Instead of capital Y is small y, so capital U is small u. Instead of finding dou u by x comma dou u by dou u by z plus is asking. After finding these three values, adding together we get answer. What is given? Small u x of x comma y comma z log of x cube plus y cube z cube. Okay. Now this is simply y u log of. Okay. Now partial with respect to x. But dou u by dou x equal to already told you log of something means 1 by something. Okay. Into difference is of something. Something is what? X cube become with respect to x, you know, 3x square will come. The x is a variable, because x is a variable. Constant, separate now, 0. The answer is 3x square by x cube plus y cube plus. The same thing with respect to y. Log of something means 1 by something in here with respect to y, you know. The x term and the constants are there. X is constant, x is constant. In between y cube become 3y square. Correct? The answer is 3y square by x cube plus y cube plus z. Correct? Last one, with respect to z. For dou u by x equal to the same thing. Log of something means 1 to something. In the difference of something is what? With respect to z, z is a variable. X and y are the constant. Am I right? 3z square. Therefore, 3z square by x cube plus y cube plus z. Now, therefore, what is our name? Dou u by x dou u by dou y, dou z by dou u by dou y. The first one is what? 3x square by x cube plus y cube by x. Next is what? 3y square by x cube plus y cube by x cube. Third one is what? 3 just square divided by denominator. The denominator will be all equal. That is LCM is what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay? In numerator, all three terms are having 3s common. Remaining terms are x square plus y square is 25. That's all. With respect to x, then y, then z, after the adding of the fifth question. For each of the following constant, find gxy, gxx, gyy, and gyx. Actually, gyy is suffix y. Am I right? All are suffix. All are here suffix. Gxx. This is given. First question is given. I want to ask you, this is called g. X into e power y plus 3x square. Anyway, these four parts are asking now. We need first gx and gy. So gx means what? Gx means dou g by x. Am I right? Gx means partially differentiate g with respect to x. That's the way. Gy means partially differentiate g with respect to y. This is the meaning. That's why I write down the directly. Gx means partially with respect to x. Now x remaining terms are constant. E power y is constant. Differentiation x is 1. Plus the 3 into the y constant. X squared becomes x. Multiply e power y plus 6xy. This is the first answer. Similar gy means partially with respect to y. Now x is constant. E power y differentiation of y with respect to y is what? E power y will be the 3x square constant. Y with respect to y is 1. Answer is x is e power y plus 3x square. This is what you want. This is asking, but anyway you will write this. Now the first one is gxy. What is the meaning of this? G of x, g of y. G of x or g of y. Not g of y, gy. Gy is what? This one. Am I right? With respect to x. Now e power y is constant. X is with respect to 1. The 3 constant. With respect to x is what? X is squared divided by x. Answer is e power y plus 6 over this. Similarly, next question, gxx. What I told you? Gx into gx. Gx is what? With respect to x. E power y plus 6x find it. Now gx is what? With respect to x. But e power y is constant 0. 6 y is constant. Difference x is 1 million. 6 y is constant. Third solution, gyy. Actually, gyy what I told you? Dou square g by dou y square. This is the meaning. You wanted dou by dou y or dou g by dou y. This is the meaning. But I want to answer that. G of y is asking this kind of g of y into g of y. Not g of y, gy. G of y means this is the format. Gy means sufficient. Am I right? The gy means what? Gy will be gy only right now. What is that? X into e power y plus 3x square. Now, with respect to y, x is constant. E power y with respect to y is e power y only. Here, 3x is constant. With this y, it is 0. Similarly, fourth solution, gyx. Gy into gx. But gy into gx is right now. E power y plus 6x. Now with respect to y, e power y becomes e power y plus 6x is constant. Y with respect to y is 1. In this way, you will find 1 by 1. They have 3 steps are given. Three problems are given. This is the first problem. These are all asking. Anyway, to find all the four part, we need gx dy. Gx means partial with respect to x. G1 means partial differential with respect to y. Then association. First subdivision over. The second subdivision. The second subdivision. G of x comma y equal to log of x plus 3. This is only g. Only g. G equal to log of 3x plus 3. Now gx means partial direction. Log of something means 1 by something into difference of something 5 into 1 because x is difference 1 3y is constant 0. 5 divided by 5x minus 2. Now gy means what? With respect to y. Log of something means 1 by something into the difference something with respect to y is what? 0 plus 3 into 1. Okay? 3 divided by 5 plus 3. 5x plus 3. Now same thing. What is first one is asking? Gxy is asking. Gx into gy. Gx into gy is what? 3 divided by 5x plus 3y. Now the 3 is constant. Alright? Denominator x is lagging. That is what? 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. Here minus 1 by denominator whole square into differentiation of denominator with respect to x. 5 into 1 5 plus 0. Anyway, minus 3 into 5 minus 15 by 5x plus 3y whole square is the first answer. Same thing. gx what is now? 5 divided by 5x plus 3y. Here also same thing. 5 into difference of denominator minus 1 by something whole square into differentiation inside bracket with respect to x. 5 into 1 5 plus 0. What is the answer? Minus 1 into minus 5 into 5 that is minus 25 divided by 5x plus 3y whole square is the answer. Same thing. Gy is what? 3 divided by 5x plus 3y. Here also 3 constant with respect to y. Y is denominator now. Denominator value means minus 1 by denominator whole square into differentiation of denominator 0 plus 3y. 3 into 1 3. What is the reason? With respect to y plus y 5 into 0 plus 3 into multiply minus 9 divided by 5x plus 3y whole square. Again, gx are the factor 5 divided by 5x plus 3. Okay? Now with this y, 5 is constant, this y is constant. Denominator value minus 1 by 5x plus 3y whole square into difference is inside bracket with this y. 5 is 0 plus 3 into 1. Now multiply minus 15 by 5x plus 3y whole square. That's all. You must write 1 by 1 plus up. But denominator is very important. Suppose numerator denominator having u by the formula. But numerator is only constant. Denominator only variable. But denominator means 1 by x. 1 by something is variable means what is the formula? Minus 1 by something whole square into differences of something with respect to the x or y. That's very important. Now first fifth question 73. What is given? G of x y equal to x square plus 3xy minus 7y plus 5 cos of y is given. You want that g of something. तो gx में what is the meaning? Partially with respect to x. अब x square into 2x. The 3 into y is constant. X is 1. 7 is 0. X is now cos pi x become minus sin pi x into pi into 1. That's important. Into pi. Second order 2x plus 3y minus pi into sin pi x. Okay? g y में with respect to y x square becomes 0. 3x you know 3x is constant, y is very 1. Minus 7 into 1. Here only x is 0. 3x minus 7. That's all. The first subdivision is also known gxy. gx is what? 3x minus 7. Now, partially with respect to x, with respect to x. So 3 into 1, 3. Is 0. Only 3 is answer. Okay? gx is also known. gx is gx. gx is what? 2x plus 3y minus 5 into sin pi x. Okay? Now, 2 into 1, 2. Plus 3 into 0. Because with respect to y, x is asking y is 0. Minus pi is constant. Sin pi is divided as cos pi x into pi will come. So 2 minus 25 cos pi x is answer. Here gy में gy is you know gy already better 3x minus 7. Now with respect to y, no y, all are constant 0. Next is what? gx is already better 2x plus 3y minus 5 sin pi x. Now these are all partially with respect to y. You know y is 0. 3 into 1 3 minus no value 0. In this way, we will find one by one. With respect to x or y, it is very important. Suffix x means with respect to x, with respect to y. Here, g y x can rise, g y dx substitute value already find out. Now y know with respect to y means y is a variable, remains constant. And the constant comes separately on this is 0. 3 into 1, this 3 constant into variable. Constant is fixed, where y with respect to y is 1 and 3 into 1. Now listen here, that w of x comma y comma z is equal to 1 divided by root of x square plus y square plus square, where x comma y comma z not equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. What is the meaning? When x is 0, y is 0, z is 0 means denominator is 0, it is meaningless. That's what the condition is given. We are not using this condition anyway, this is given. Now, dou square w by dou x square, dou square w by dou y square, dou square w by dou y square equal to 0. First with respect to x, partially with respect to x, again with respect to x. Am I correct? That is the meaning. Now first find dou w by x. This can be as 1 w. W equal to this can be as x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus half. Denominator is what? Root is whole power half. Reciprocal is what? Minus half. Now partially differentiate with respect to x. So dou w by dou x is equal to what is the power? Whole power minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 into the inside bracket, the same thing, the power will be reduced by 1 into differences of the inside bracket. X square with respect to x is not 2x, but y square is a constant for 0. Alright? 2 cancel. Minus x into x square plus y square plus z square. What product? Minus 3 by 2. Alright? Now we want dou square w by dou x square. What do you mean as that? Dou w by dou x of dou w by this mean. Dou by dou x of minus x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2. Now with respect to x, with What is the unit number? The first one minus 1 is fixed here. Difference is the next one. Plus the next one is difference is fixed here. Difference is not minus 1. This is the concept. Minus is the minus. This is the concept. But with respect to x being the minus x is constant into difference is the result. Previous area minus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 into the same thing is the minus 1 2x plus 0 plus 0 am I right? Plus the x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 is constant into difference is now the first one is what minus is become minus 1 am I right? Again put cancel minus is plus 3x square am I right? Divided by the power is what added together 2 into minus 1 minus 2 here minus 2 that is minus 5 by 2 but reciprocal is x square plus y square plus z square whole power 5 by 2 am I right? Here 5 by 2 here then the multiply now x square here minus plus 3x square power is adding minus 5 by 2 become 11 plus 5 by 2 minus am I right? Here minus 1 is there plus minus this can minus 1 by x square plus y square plus z square whole power 3 by 2 am I right? This side way dou square w by dou x square. Now next one is what with respect to y again with respect to in this way no but in log of sorry 1 by root of x square y square no and is x square y square becomes z square. That's what similarly you write that directly. Similarly dou square w by dou y square become is never be equal because all the three ways are equal. Okay? Means of x square here x square no y square here the same thing. Okay? Again similarly dou square w by dou x square equal to 3 x square by you want to find out the side you want to find only one part the remaining two second and third similarly going to add directly. Now what is the opposite? RD we get left hand side is what dou square w by dou x square dou square w by dou y square dou square w by dou z square equal to first three times. What is LCM common? The LCM denominator is common. Denominator is common. Am I right? What is numerator? 3x square, 3y square, 3 square. 3 is common. X square plus y square plus z square. Am I right? Here minus. The denominator is common here. X square plus y square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. Here minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 3 here. Am I right? Now this can minus 3 divided by x square plus y square plus z square whole power is 5 by 2. Whole power 1. The reciprocal is what? 5 by 2 minus 1. Then LCM 2 is 2. 5 minus 3. Direct answer 3 by 2. This together combined together 3 by 2. What is that? 3 by x square plus y square z square whole power 3 by 2. Am I right? The same term but opposite side here. Am I right? That's what 0 is. That's all. X square plus y square z square whole power 1 है. X square plus y square z square whole power 3 by 2. अब inverse में denominator में ये minus 1 will come. 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. The same thing. Same quantity but opposite side. That's 0. Right answer. Every part 5%. You must find the only one part. Dou square w by dou y square x square. Similarly, you will find second and third. Then adding the answer. Now listen here. 7% d of x comma y equal to e power x into x cos y minus y sin y. Then prove that dou square d by dou x square plus dou square d by dou y square Now what I told you, those square will be dou x square mean first time dou v by dou x, dou v. After find this term and this term, add it to get 0. The first partial with this means dou v by dou x. Inside bracket x involving, here also x is involving. U the formula. This is u, this are all d. These are all dx. Right? This one fixed different result. With respect to x, cos y constant, with respect to x is 1. Here no x variable, that's a 0. This is fixed here. Difference of first one is what? E for x, is given e for x. Out of this two terms, e for x is common term inside. The remaining terms are cos y plus x cos y minus y sin. That's all. Okay? Now partial with respect to y. Here also, outside e for x is only constant is fixed. Now find the inside by only differentiate with respect to x. Here x is constant, cos y becomes minus y. That's all. But here two variables are y and sin y. I'm going to use problem. Minus y is fixed here, sin y becomes cos y. Then minus sin y is fixed here. Difference of y is what? No further possibility. That's all. Now start with the first step. Dou square d by dou x square. That is what? Dou by dou x or dou v by dou x. The dou v by already no. E for x into cos y plus x into cos y minus y into sin y. Okay? Okay. Here x is there. Inside bracket also x is there. That's uniform. E for x is here. Difference of is cos y becomes 0. X is 1. Only cos y will come. Minus you know x will be 0. Plus cos y plus x into cos y minus y into sin y is fixed here. Difference of the first one is what? E for x becomes e for x. Out of this two terms, e for x is common. Okay? What is remainder? Cos y plus cos y, 2 cos y, then plus x cos y minus y sin y. This is the first part. The same thing, now find second step, dou square by dou y square. That is what? Dou by dou v, we are dou v by y. Now dou v by dou y, dou by dou y are dou v by dou y are. Okay? E for x into inside bracket minus x into sin y minus y into cos y minus sin. Okay? Here also by using without using this formula. What is it? With this y, you know y. By e for x constant. Inside bracket only you want to put minus sin y is constant. You will say x is 1. Okay? Minus the y here also. So use the formula. Minus y is fixed here. Cos y is minus sin y. Okay? Minus cos y is fixed here. Y becomes 1. Minus sin y becomes cos y. Now e for x is minus sin y. Okay? Minus sin y. Minus sin plus y sin y. Cos y minus cos y minus cos y minus cos y. Now what I write LHS? LHS is equal to dou v square v by dou x square, dou square v by dou y square. Out of this two answer adding, the e for x is common to kind of say. The first one is what? 2 cos y plus x into cos y. Am I right? E power first one is with respect to x square x no. So e power x is fixed here. Different x one is what? Cos y becomes 0, 1, 0. Only cos y. 2 cos y. The minus cos 2y. The x into something. We are adding together, we can see no. The first answer is what? Dou square d by dou x square is e for x 2 cos y plus y x cos y minus y sin minus only sin y. with respect to x. Here, first find dou square into x square. Correct. Dou square into x square, no? But dou by dou ya, dou v by y. The value of dou v by y is this one. Now, with respect to y, am I correct? With respect to y. Now, e power is what? Constant. Now, with respect to y is the minus x is constant. The sin y becomes cos y. Now, y here also. Minus y is fixed here. Cos y becomes minus y. Minus cos y fixed y is 1. Sin y becomes cos y. Here r equals minus cos y. Here, what is that there? X into cos y. Am I right? Now, the first is what? Out of adding both, e power is common to both. 2 cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y. Plus, e power is common to no? What is the mean? Minus x cos y plus y sin y minus 2 cos y. Am I right? Now, outside when e power x, this will be cancelled. Am I right? Cancel. Minus sin y percent cancel. Plus x cos y minus cancel. Only e power x into 0. That is 0. That is ours. So anyway, with respect to y mean, y alone variable. X is constant. Or e power x is constant, I can say, okay, inside the bracket, you want to differentiate with respect to y. In the third x is fixed here, sin y equals cos y. Here y, here also is there, that's uniform. The minus y fixed rate, cos y becomes minus sin y. The minus cos y fixed rate, difference of x is 1. The sin y becomes cos y. Then adding. Now, LS is equal to dou square d by dou x square plus dou square by dou x square. Substitute value. Out of this two terms, e power x is common, that I can say, remaining should be inside the bracket. Adding all terms are cancelled. We get 0. E power x is 0, 0. You want to prove this is equal to this plus this is equal to 0. Automatic answer is coming. This also equal to 5%. Second order, partial derivation. Take question. W of xy is equal to xy plus sin of xy. Then prove that it will be equal. Now this one, given W of x comma y is equal to xy sin of xy. This can W is equal to xy plus sin of xy. Now partially differentiate with respect to x. Dou W by dou x means in x is very known, y is constant. Okay? Sin of xy become cos of xy into again xy. Because x is what? Y is constant. Because x is 1. Okay? Y plus y cos of xy. Then partially differentiate with respect to y. Dou W by dou y is equal to the same thing. Y is variable, x is constant. X is the rest of y is y. 1. Again, sin of something become cos of something into the inside bracket for x y, with respect to y. X is constant, y is 2. X plus cos of x y. First one. Now we start with LHS. What is LHS? Dou square W by dou y dou x. This can be as dou by dou y dou W by x. Dou by dou y with respect to x no, and we find out y plus y of cos x. Okay? Now, partially with respect to y, the y becomes 1. Here y here also you know uniform. What is uniform? Y is fixed. If it is some sin of cos of something become minus sin of something into with respect to y no, we extend to 1. Am I right? Plus y into cos of xy is fixed here. Give us the y is what? The answer is 1 minus xy into sin of xy plus cos of xy. This is the first answer. Similarly, same thing, RH is equal to dou square W by dou x dou by dou x or dou W by dou y. Dou by dou x or dou W by dou y, we find out x plus cos can express something in terms. Okay? Substitute x plus x into cos of xy. This one is with respect to x. X with respect to x is 1. But here also x is the mean compound. X into cos of something become minus sin of something into difference of x into y. X is 1 into y. Okay? Plus cos of xy is this here. Am I right? Yeah. What is that there? X with respect to x is 1. The coordinate 1 minus xy sin of xy plus cos of xy. Definitely both are to be equal. 1 and 2. Then let's suppose 5%. You want to be able to analyze 2 times you want to say. With respect to x here, with respect to y. That's very important. Listen here. D of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz. So that dou square d by dou square d by dou y dou z is equal to dou square d by dou x dou y. What is given? D of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube z cube plus 3xyz. Right? Partially with respect to the dou y dou x dou y dou y dou y. The x dou x is not involved. अब ये differentiate with respect to y first. So dou v by dou y mean this is 0. This is 3y square plus 0 plus 3x is constant. Y becomes 1. So 3y square plus 3z. 3x is 1. Now partially with respect to we get dou v by dou y is equal to like 0 plus 3z square plus 3xy is constant. This is 1. Am I right? Now what is the answer? Dou square d by dou y dou z. Dou square y by dou v by dou z. Am I right? Now dou by dou y are dou v by dou z right now. 3z square plus 3xy. With respect to y now 0. The 3 into x is 1. Y becomes 1. 3x. Similarly, second answer r is dou square d by dou z into dou y. Dou z into dou v by dou y. Dou z into dou v by dou y. 3y square 3 x z. 3x is equal to now with respect to z, but 3y square becomes 0. 3x into x is 1. 3x. From 1 to LHS 1. That's all. Easy concept. One more question, last question. The last question, 10th question. Read the question. The revenue R of xy is equal to given. Cost of xy is given. What is asking now? Find the profit function is asking. We use the formula. Profit is equal to revenue minus cost. P of xy equal to R of xy minus C of xy. The P of x only is simply P. Okay? Now subtract one from here to here. R of xy minus C of xy. 8x minus 8x plus 7x. Am I right? 90y minus 6y is what? Minus 84 plus 84y. Am I right? Then next one is what? The actually plus 1000, 2000 is given. Next is what? Minus 0.4xy, minus 0.05x square, minus 0.05y square. Now from here to here, subtract down. Minus 2000. This is the profit. Now what is the name? The profit function is asking. This is the profit function. Next the what is asking now? This is the first part. Profit function is the first part. Second part. Find the dou v by x. Partially differentiate with respect to x. But dou p by dou x is equal to. What is that? 72 into 1. This is 0. Minus 4, 0.4 into 1 into y. This is 0. Sorry. 0.05 into 2x. This is 0. This is 0. Now arrange 72, 0.y, and multiply 0.1 x, 0.1 x, multiply 0.05 into 2 is what? 1.0, this is 0.1. This is called dou b by dou x. Now what is asking now? Dou b by dou x at some values are given. What value? 1200, 1800. This is given. Substitute 72, 0.4 into y is what? 1800 minus 0.1 into 1200. Okay? Now multiply 72 minus here 0, 0, 32, 3. 3 means 7. Here 1.1, 720. Here what is answer? 120. The 720 minus 120 is what? 620. Now subtract again. Minus 0.4 into 0. I wrote wrongly 0. What is what? 0.04. 0.04. Excellent. 0.04 x-ray. 0.04 x-ray. 0.04 x-ray. Here also 0.04. That is what here. 17. Okay? 17 will come there. The next one is what? 120 is correct. And also this is a plus section. Change the question man? Plus 72 plus 70 is what? 144 minus 120 is the answer. Similarly, partial with respect to y, that's also the very different answer. Second part, the same value is given. Now, second part, the same thing. Second subject 2, partial is given change with respect to y. Dou b by dou y equal to the first is what? 0 plus 84. Right? Get 0.04. Right? 0.04 xy. 0.04 x is very constant. Y is 1. Here 0. Here 0.05 into y and 0. 84 plus 0.04 x minus 1.0 y. What is it? 0.1. 0.1. Okay? Now the x of the value, the same value only. Dou b by dou x, dou y at 1200, 1800. 84 plus 0.04 into 1200 minus 0.1 into 180. Now 84. Now multiply the same value, 72 will come. Minus multiply 180 will come. Add equal 6 to 126 minus 180. Now 156 minus here and 0.04 1200 come. Multiply 48.00 will come. That is 48. Now add equal 2 divided 1 132. Here 180 minus 48 is the answer. The answer may be negative also will come. Okay? This is the answer. Automatically, y is here increase the profit. By keeping y as constant and increasing x, then increasing profit. That's the concept. Ready? This is asking dou b by dou x at some point, dou b by dou y at some point is asking. That's all. This is completely over.